crab legs. Those things are expensive though. ¿Cuánto cuestan aquí, amiga? I want to see how much the... Oh, cool. Oh, it's probably one of those fake ones, huh? How much are they? Four pack. I was trying to see the price. Me neither. ¿Cuál está tu tofu? Yeah. Should we get that ice cream first? Perhaps. Mira, 2000 de esta. No se ven desabridas, ¿no? Yeah. Oh, for Gundam style. Green tea ice cream. Oh, melon ice cream. Wanna get some right now or what?
We can. I love ice cream. I can get.
Got the green tea ice cream. Matcha. Let's try it. Here it's 500. And obviously when you just get to the market on the corner, it's like 600. So prime location, prime prices. So they have the sweetest strawberries in the world. Supposedly they're white with the big old grapes. We've been seeing the pre-packaged ones, like a pack of like, I don't know, 20. It's too much. So snack size, 600. Here, grapes and strawberry. Yep. Tastes like a regular strawberry, but a little bit sweeter. Best sushi of my life, and I've had sushi everywhere. And it's in the little market, right? Actually, it's like in the outer street. It's not like in the main street, and it's very easy to miss. Actually, you could go in through the second lane of the market. When you're in the market, you're gonna see the little sign. There's the main street. Sushi restaurant is the first alley, make a right. I'll go that way.
Oh, okay.
Pretty much everybody has the same shit, the same stuff. Ooh, mochi balls. Interesting.
over here.
It's sprinkling. But it's nice that there's a cover. Oh, when you go through the little alleys, they don't have cover on top. Best sushi of my life right here. Closed. Closed that one. A lot of these shops are closed now, huh? So we're trying to use our coins, and look what I found. Corn soup. Corn soup. Wish me luck. I'm making a face because it's really sweet. But it's good though. I just wasn't expecting it, you know? It's missing some cotija with some tajin. Not tajin, but chili. Either got chunks. There it is. So we're in at the Daiba station, and then you see the building after getting off the subway, and then you pan left. Lady Liberty. Let's get closer to Lady Liberty. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. So, and the other side of the Statue of Liberty, right? This is where the one-up arcade is. It's called Diversity Mall. And look at this cotton candy store. It's huge. Well, it's an ice cream cone with cotton candy around. That thing is massive. 600 yen for just an ice cream cone. It's about the going rate. This is the food court. Let's see what else we find. Oh my goodness. We're gonna be here all day. Where's this? But it looks super cool in there. Super, super cool. You wanna go in there? 1,700 yen. Like $13, $14, something like that. Cool. Hello Kitty Japan. Guys, what I'm telling you, when you think you've seen it all, you come to Hello Kitty donuts, Hello Kitty ice cream, Hello Kitty pancakes. Wowzer. Mini pancakes. Whoa. While you're on the train, before you exit the gates, there's always restrooms. And since there's no trash cans anywhere, there's always trash cans in the restrooms and the subways. No, wait for me. So Don Quixote, it's called Donkey over here. We are in Let me tell you the name of the city before I forget. We're close to Meguro. There it is. Shinawaya City. Don Quixote. Or Donkey. Oh, nice gloves. Nice earmuffs. Oh, cool. Little souvenir. This one's really cool. 3D. How much is it? It doesn't say. Oh, 600 yen. Not bad. Like $5. We are in Shinagawa City. Anyway, we took a bus just to come to a thrift shop. But where the thrift shop is, look how nice it is. Whoa. And it's like a